The National Weather Service in Hermosillo has issued a tornado warning for Central Hermosillo County in Central Sonora, Magdalena County in Central Sonora, including the following counties: Viscaria, Carbo, Quirabombi, Benjamin Hill, Llano, and Santa Ana, until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a possible tornado was located near San Carlos and was moving east at 90 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado forming. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Considerable damage to homes, buses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bahia de Quino around 7:34 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Residents in the county of San Carlos, they should go to the lowest floor of a building, or go to a basement directly. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Sonora, Hermosillo, and Magdalena.